Hey, Persio. Okay. Charlie the Chilo.
I for do.
Hey. But where are right there?
You did a pack, I go pick them. Where you go?
I go bookshop, I go buy some card, get some lovely girl. Hey, my sweetheart, I love it.
Don Shaka. You mean you get that courage enough go con girl and when to go buy card give them? Congratulations. Good start for a beginner, man.
You pa. Me beginner. The fact say some of us the play am cool and cannot mean say we know the operate.
Oh, smooth operators indeed. More like stagnant ones, but you cool things, eh? You could see me for more tutorials, eh? Free of charge.
Look who is talking. Look who is talking. Didn't you lose to Chocho recently? One could even stretch to Eresi, eh? But that is just by the way.
So that be the filler for the area inside, eh? You guys
No.
don't know.
Hoo-ha. If you say you had to try her.
Sharon, eh? Cool and nice. Easy for me.
You want to bet?
Try me.
Huh?
Cool things.
Serious, oh. Tell him serious, oh.
It's a deal, bro.
Serious, oh.
It's a deal,
This girl, she hard, oh.
Oh, for the way. You guys know.
What are you doing with your freedom? What kind of freedom?
Come on, you know, madam, no day and things like that.
Hey, I'm good at being straight and crooked, okay?
Hey, look. When is MFA coming back?
In 3 weeks.
3 weeks! 3 weeks of freedom?
Oh, get out of here! Let's have another game.
So the bet is on, eh?
You be hustler, you know get money.
You did joke. You're a ghetto blaster against my load.
So how long then you mean my stereo, eh?
Chal, I'm serious. I'm going to tell all the guys.
Shaka, be serious. This one, by this aside, if I win, I will collect the money.
You are on, Casanova. When should I expect result?
Oh, 3 days maximum. I mean, it will be a shorter sell. You for find out how you go finish your semester.
We will see who will win.
Charlie, you gotta catch someone.
And I go bookshop.
I'll see you guys later. Hi, Sharon. Oh, you look nice. Hey.
Thank you. What are you doing out here anyway?
I came to see help those guys, so...
Oh. What do you say in campus, boys? They're useless.
Come on, Sharon. You know them. They're nice people.
Why do you entertain men who can't pay? You know.
Sharon, don't be callous. Why?
Well, to each and their views. Me, I will have nothing to do with those small boys.
Sharon. Really? Oh, I'll catch you up later, okay? Yeah, sure. Hi, boyfriend. Okay.
You know, just see that she's coming. Oh, sorry, you see.
What? Oh, okay.
This is good. Yep. I didn't get to treat. You like it? I don't feel
What are you doing tonight? Remember, it's a Friday, huh?
Yeah. You know, with MFI and Techie gone, it's also empty, you know?
Your wife has really spoiled you, huh? Well, don't worry. I am taking you out tonight.
Where do you have in mind?
To a place where you can appreciate the lights over the sea and watch it whilst you drink your chilled star beer. Among other things, there could be more.
I'm with you. I'm game, man.
You're game? You're game?
I'm game.
Cool, all right.
When she comes, I'll go back. I'll also go for some few businesses.
Oh, young man. Bon appetit.
Merci.
If you answer,
Sukul Nyansa.
as you know.
Why don't you join us here?
I'm okay. Thank you.
Sir, any drink?
Oh, just bring me some cold water and I'll be fine.
Waitress, give him 1 star beer on our behalf.
Oh, thank you. Look, make it 2, eh? Bring one now, immediately. I'll take the other one later.
Sun City, the light lights the park, and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City.
I can't believe Percy would fall into this trap. I mean, but to God, Sharon. Sharon Jones. Well, once a loser, always a loser. I am just counting the days. It looks like some people will never learn, huh?
Could I not say a man Percy rush for much?
Huh? Am I dreaming or? You never know that? Yeah, that is a king, all right. He came from the USA yesterday. Yeah! Big up! How about the US? I mean, the chicks, you know, the chicks.
Same old, man. You know, nothing has really changed, bro. Just that there are girls, and more babes. Girls, bro.
Okay. So, Charlie, the program, what's up? Was it beneficial?
Definitely, maximum. I mean, I've learned so many softwares. You know, my brain cells, they're screaming, help, 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 in different tones. It's all good. It's just like that report I have to deliver to Dr. Efson, and it's killing me massively. That's all.
Charlie, you boys, what be your mission for here?
Just chilling, Majesty.
What's up, Marlon? You don't sound your usual self. Are you sick?
I know they're sick.
Charlie, hold on.
Come on, man. Hey, aren't you going to tell them? Tell them what happened.
Charlie, I know they like that thing. Or something happened for them. Why you for bring come here?
Shh. Now you guys check this out. Here is Marlon, yeah? Walk in, sees Sharon, says hi. And she's like 1, 2, 3, and snubs him big time.
But that girl did rush.
Flatwood. The girl really thinks she are good, huh?
Percy is dead.
What? I don't get it.
Charlie, come sit down.
Yeah?
If you don't come here, come sit down and listen.
That's it. That's it.
Hi. My name is Percy. Percy Osables.
Sharon,
May I come in?
what can I do for you, Percy?
I've got a business proposition for you.
What?
Do you want to listen?
Okay, come in. Sit.
It goes like this.
I've made a 1.5 million bet with someone that I'll take you out.
Say again.
I am prepared to share 50-50 with you if you go out on a date with me.
You really have some nerve, you know. What makes you think I will buy into such a deal?
Just for the fun of it.
What did you have in mind?
You choose.
Take me to La Palme.
No problem. Tonight?
Of course. Why not? What car do you drive?
I'm using a green Vento now.
That would do. And I'm going with you because you make me laugh.
Alright. So, 8 o'clock?
Make it 9.
Okay. See you then.
Bye.
Shall I say the America, what's up?
Shaka, the way it did now, it be like you for go see the can't talk some because I don't know what I could tell you again. You know?
Me, I no want go for any America. It be Congo one day.
Bunia we mo go day. Charlie, the Casanova has arrived.
Oh, who, Percy? You go lose, Poto. You go see.
Marlon, don't be too sure. Ladies, yeah, funny set of breed, you know? They can be really, really funny.
My teach speak.
Shall I make a call him Cosa?
Percy!
Hey, brothers! What's wrong? Man.
Big up, man. I miss you.
I did. Why you be woman?
But Charlie, but to business. Today be the final day for the bet.
Hold it. 9 p.m. today, I pick Miss Jones from her room.
Why you like to joke like that?
Then we proceed to La Palme, where we go and wine, dine and enjoy the sea breeze.
Percy!
Yes, sir.
He the lie. He the lie. He the lie.
Look, what do you guys need to do is to be on the scene, right? And then I call it Maluchi Duchi.
For real?
Yes, man. I got myself a date, boy. Why? You didn't trust me?
Well, I've heard you had a string of losses recently.
He who fights runs away, lives to fight another day.
Blessed true vibration, no.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
man. Yeah, man.
Charlie, be like the guy is serious, though.
You know what she do to me, eh?
Make it do, make we see. Make it do, make we see.
You.
That's a woman. Check it out.
I could get used to this, you know.
Well, the walls here, what's
That is Sharon Jones. Who? Sharon! The girl at the barbecue. That's right. Okay. Okay. Hey, she's my boy. Percy. Way to go, Percy. I told you she was really hot. See, some of these girls, they have been troublesome.
I can see that.
See what she's wearing. She's hot. She's real hot. Now stop looking.